Want fresh tomatoes but don't have a garden? Grow them right in a container. It's so easy. Look at all these ripe tomatoes. First, choose a container that's at least 5 gallons with drainage holes. This large gray pot is a great option. See, it has holes at the bottom for proper drainage. I'm filling this pot with a high-quality potting mix. This is not regular garden soil, it's specially formulated for containers. Planting tomatoes deep helps grow stronger roots. Covering part of the stem encourages rooting. Place the container where it gets 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight every day. This spot right here is perfect for your tomatoes. Water consistently to keep the soil moist but not soggy. A steady, even pour around the base is best. This keeps your plants healthy and thriving. Feed your plant every 2 weeks with a balanced tomato fertilizer. I'm using Max Grow tomato feed. Just sprinkle it around the base of the stem. Your plant will thank you. My tomatoes are coming along nicely. I'll just loosen the soil a bit and secure the cage a little more. Perfect, that will support its growth. In just a few weeks, you'll have healthy plants loaded with delicious homegrown tomatoes. Follow for more easy gardening tips and container growing secrets.